It's chicken liver mousse and waffle, not fried chicken, which is what you normally see. The chicken liver mousse itself came with a little bit of a raspberry kind of sauce. It was really nicely garnished and pretty. You got 4 wedges of a whole waffle. The waffle itself was really nice and crisp and sweet and well balanced. I thought the actual quality of the waffle itself was really good. Same with the mousse. It was not irony at all. It was really creamy and smooth, but I'd skip it. I think it was a little heavy for me. After I had my one waffle wedge, I was kind of like, that was enough for me.
The number one thing I remember about this dish is that the portions were mismatched. There was a lot more waffle than there was mousse.
I agree. It was very elegant and very pretty, and I think great for a group, but if you're coming here with just 2 people, it's definitely a skip.
I thought the concept was cute.